long before factories and machines. One profession shaped entire civilizations. This is the story of the blacksmith. Before people mined iron, it sometimes fell from the sky. Rare pieces of meteorite metal became treasured objects. Then came bronze. For the first time, people could create stronger tools, weapons, and equipment. Iron was harder to work with, but once mastered, it transformed farming, warfare, and daily life. In medieval towns, the blacksmith's workshop never stayed quiet. People arrived every day with new requests. The blacksmith controlled fire, heat, and steel. Years of experience turned raw metal into useful tools. Without blacksmiths, horses could not travel far. Every horseshoe helped connect villages, markets, and cities. Blacksmiths forged plows, axes, and farming tools. Without them, growing food would have been much harder. They also created swords, helmets, and armor. Kings, soldiers, and knights depended on their work. Skills were passed from master to apprentice. Generation after generation, the craft survived through human hands. Then machines arrived. Steam power could do work that once required many hands. Factories produced metal goods faster than any workshop. The age of industrial manufacturing had begun. Metal became cheaper, more common, and available to millions of people. Today, robots and machines shape most of the world's metal. Few traditional blacksmiths remain. Yet blacksmithing did not disappear. It evolved into art, design, and handcrafted creations. One blacksmith forged tools for survival. Another creates beauty from steel. Both share the same ancient craft. The world changed, the tools changed, but the fire of the forge still burns.